if you want to send and accept collaborator requests in Shopify, then here's what you're going to do. First, if you want to request an access to a store, you're going to click on, or you're going to head over first to partners.shopify.com dashboard. And then from here, you're going to click on stores from the left side panel. And then from here, you're going to click on request access to store. Now, after that, you're just going to work on the store details. You're going to fill this out. For this one, I'm just going to copy and paste my store details right here. So as you can see, I'm just going to do it again in order for me to have the right store. So I'm just going to copy and paste it again. And as you can see, this merchant requires a collaborator request code before you can send them a request. So if this comes up, ask the collaborator or the store that you want to have request to the collaborator request code, which they can find from their users and permissions, and then they can get the collaborator request code from their Shopify account. And then after that, you're going to apply it right here. And then after that, you're going to select all the permissions that you want your collaborator account to have. So you have all of these options right here. So you can request to alter all of these and to have access to all of these depending on you. Now, after that, you can also add a personalized message, and then you can click on request access to share. Now, how are you going to accept the collaborator request if you are the store owner? So in order for you to do that, you're going to head over to your Shopify dashboard, and then from here you're going to access the settings. So you just go to this left side panel, and then at the bottom of the page you can access the settings, and then from here you're going to click on users. Now this only works when you have you have a subscription, and then all you have to do is to click on add users, and it will show up as a notification that you can accept. And that's it. That is how you can send and accept collaborator requests in Shopify. I recently created a 1-hour-long step-by-step Shopify tutorial which can help you set up your store in no time. If you want to learn more, click here to watch the full video, and I will see you there.